In this video I'm going to show you how to make a water jacket for a small 2-cycle engine. It's basically really simple how to do this. Do this one-handed here. Okay, so basically the first thing you want to do is you're going to have to cut off most of the fins along the top here. You want to keep this fin right here, right above the exhaust port. Keep that one and keep it nice and flush. But all the rest of them cut off, and then you can smooth them out with a file and everything. Then you're going to make your water jacket. I just made this out of a tomato paste can, because it's about the same diameter as the cylinder. It's a little bit bigger, which is what you want. And this is kind of thin, so I kind of had to rip it up, but it's thick enough that it'll work. You're going to want to poke a hole right here for your water input, and you can put a brass fitting in there or whatever and braze it in, and that'll be your input. And then you want your output pretty much opposite of that, and it's just a pinhole right there right now. And like I said, I just used a tomato paste can for this. I just measured it and then just cut off the bottom. So once you do that, and you kind of file down the edges of this a little bit, clean all this up, and you want to get some RTV silicone, and you're going to just put some around the edge here and put some on the bottom of this, just all along the edge there, and then fit it on. And after that, since I kind of mangled the hole here, I have a washer, and since I put that washer on there, I had to take the washer off of the spark plug. There's usually a washer on here, and since this is kind of a big washer, you have to make sure that it's pretty well centered, the spark plug. And after you do that, and then the RTV sets, then you just hook up your water input. Like I said, you can just put a little brass fitting on there with a nipple and then just have a hose coming out of it. And then if you're not running a water pump, you can just put either a needle valve or just a small pinhole in here, so it'll just drip out at a regulated rate. And then, like I said, just have your input, and that's basically all you got to do. It's really simple. And if you're going to be using it where this might get bashed, all you have to do is get some thicker, like 18 gauge sheet metal, wrap it around here, braze up the seam, make a lid for it. You can use like a washer or something, braze that onto there, make your input and your output, and that's basically all you got to do.